In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Squarespace. We'll walk through the full process together, so that by the end, you'll know exactly what to expect, what to click, and how to avoid the most common issues that can slow a transfer down. First, it's important to understand what transferring a domain actually means. When you transfer a domain to Squarespace, you're moving domain management from your current registrar, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, over to Squarespace. Your domain name stays the same, but billing, DNS settings, and renewals will all be handled inside your Squarespace account. This is great if you want everything in one place and an easier setup for your website and email. Before you start, make sure a few basic requirements are met. Your domain must be at least 60 days old and not locked from recent changes or previous transfers. Also, be sure you have access to the email address listed as the domain owner at your current registrar, because important confirmation emails will be sent there during the process. Now, go to your current domain registrar's website and sign into your account. Look for your domain management or domain settings area, and open the domain you want to move to Squarespace. Here, you'll want to turn off any domain privacy or WHOIS protection temporarily, so Squarespace can see the contact details and send the correct transfer requests. Next, make sure the domain is unlocked. Most registrars have a simple toggle or checkbox labeled Domain Lock or Transfer Lock. Disable that. In that same settings area, locate your authorization code, sometimes called an EPP code or transfer key. This is a unique code that authorizes Squarespace to request the transfer on your behalf. Copy that code and keep it handy. You'll paste it into Squarespace in a moment. Now, open Squarespace and log into your account. From the home menu, go to the Domain section and choose the option to Use a domain I own or Transfer Domain. When prompted, type in the exact domain name you're transferring. Then choose the option to transfer it to Squarespace. You'll see a field where you can paste the authorization code you copied earlier. Paste it in carefully, then continue. Squarespace will verify the code, show you the transfer details, and prompt you to confirm the transfer and pay for an additional year of registration, if required. Review everything, then approve. You'll also receive one or more confirmation emails from your current registrar, and possibly from the registry itself. Open those emails and click the confirmation links to approve the transfer. This step is critical, or the transfer may be cancelled or time out. Once everything is approved, the transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes up to several days, depending on your registrar. During this time, avoid making other changes to the domain. When the transfer completes, Squarespace will notify you, and you'll see the domain listed in your Squarespace Domains panel. From there, you can connect it to your site, adjust DNS settings if needed, and manage renewals directly inside Squarespace.